Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. So let's start with our pre-market analysis. Friday session, the US market was closed for because of Thanksgiving, so nothing to discuss there. But at the time of recording, the US futures is trading very flat. Now let's talk about FII and DII data. Yesterday, FII were net sellers close to 3,700 crores, and domestic institutions, local market like mutual funds, they were the net buyers close to 4,100 crores. Asian markets are trading flat to positive, mostly into positive. So mute start for our Indian market. Now SGX Nifty showing a flat opening close to 26 points negative. Let's see where the pre-market settles. Now gold is back at $4,200. It is trading even above $4,200. So that is one thing that we have to look into. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Typical sideways days for Nifty. Nifty closed at 26,387. The support is obviously at 26,000 and resistance is 26,400. On 26,400, huge amount of call shorting is seen on Friday session. So 26,400 holds a very strong and crucial support for resistance for coming days. And similarly, 26,600 holds a very important support for our market. Now Bank Nifty closed at 60,065, so it is closed around the psychological level close to 60,000. Now the support is obviously 58,800 and resistance is 60,300 and 400. So looks like Bank Nifty already made an all-time high. Yesterday Nifty made all-time high, right? So some profit booking I am expecting, but I'm not at all negative. Look at the India's GDP number that came out. It was staggering 8.2%. Name any other country which is growing as this fast as our country. No one. Right? I was expecting 7.2%. A lot of people were saying close to 6.3%, 6.4%. But look at our GDP number. It is growing at 8.2% growth rate, right? So we don't have any reason to go short in this market. We don't have any reason to fall in this market except global uncertainty, right? But beside this, our market are full ready to launch to 30,000 levels. I am very confident that 30,000 will come in Nifty in the next 3 to 4 months. So I am super bullish in this market. Now, next thing we have to focus on is on December 5th. The RBI policy is there and the RBI chairman, he will decide what will be the next step for the repo rate. So they will likely to cut the interest rate. That's what I am expecting. Look at the GDP number. Look at all these things. Look at the tax rate cut. Look at the economic data. All these things are very positive and there's no reason not to cut the interest rate. So another main thing is on January 2nd, the Fed chairman Jeremy Powell will be speaking. His speech will be closely watched. And let's see what has to say about the next step about what Fed will take. So these are the 2-3 events that we have to watch. I am super bullish in this market. But people are asking that if you are so bullish, why our portfolio is 30 to 40% down? Nifty made all-time high, our portfolio is down. Because the rally what you have seen in Nifty was very selective and stock specific, right? Give 2 to 3 quarters. We had GST rate cut, we had income tax rate cut. Look at the GDP number. All these things will take time to come into corporate results. So yes, I am super duper bullish. It's not time to short in this market. This is not the shorting market. This is the market to buy on all the dips. We will see the mother of bull run very soon. Now don't go and just buy today Nifty call options. No, don't do this. I will tell you when I'll be taking positions and I will come and I'll give it to all my viewers that yes, today is the time to take positions. So thank you for watching. I hope you would have learned a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.